National Weather Service in San Juan has issued a special marine warning for Atlantic waters of Puerto Rico and USVI from 10 nautical miles to 19.5 N, coastal waters from Cabo San Juan to the waters between Anegada Island and Virgin Gorda and north 10 nautical miles, until 5:15 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over the Atlantic waters, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts possible and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.